Imagine living in a national capital that sits farther from other major cities than almost any capital on Earth. A place surrounded by vast open landscapes where reaching the nearest international metropolis can require hours of flying across seemingly endless wilderness. Most people assume the world's great capitals are connected hubs of trade, culture, and transportation. Yet one capital city exists in relative isolation, separated from much of the world by geography, climate, and immense distances. This city is not hidden in the middle of an ocean. It is not trapped behind mountains or cut off by political borders. Instead, its isolation comes from something far simpler. There is simply very little around it for thousands of kilometers. The city is Ulaanbaatar, the capital of Mongolia. To many travelers, Ulaanbaatar is one of the least familiar capital cities on Earth. Yet it serves as the political, cultural, and economic center of an enormous nation. Mongolia itself is vast. In fact, it is one of the largest countries in the world by land area. What makes that statistic remarkable is the population. Despite its enormous size, Mongolia has only a few million people. Most of those people live in or around Ulaanbaatar. This means a huge percentage of the country's population is concentrated in a single city. Outside the capital, the landscape changes dramatically. Endless grasslands, deserts, mountains, and open spaces stretch across much of the country. Travel for hours beyond the city, and you may encounter remarkably few settlements. The sense of space can feel almost limitless. This geography plays a major role in Ulaanbaatar's isolation. The city exists in a country where population density is among the lowest on Earth. For comparison, many countries fit more people into a single metropolitan area than Mongolia has in its entire territory. When viewed from above, the distances become even more impressive. Ulaanbaatar sits far from the world's major population centers. Large cities in Europe are thousands of kilometers away. The same is true for many major cities in Southeast Asia and the Middle East. Even neighboring countries can feel surprisingly distant. Vast stretches of land separate Ulaanbaatar from many major urban centers. This isolation has helped shape the city's identity. Life here developed differently from many of the world's better-connected capitals. Unlike capitals built around busy shipping routes, Ulaanbaatar grew in the heart of the Asian interior. Geography largely determined its destiny. Yet, despite its isolation, Ulaanbaatar is far from empty. Modern skyscrapers now rise alongside older neighborhoods and traditional influences. Visitors are often surprised by the contrast. Ancient traditions and rapid modernization exist side by side. One moment you might see contemporary office towers. The next, you may encounter reminders of Mongolia's nomadic heritage. This blend gives the city a character unlike most capitals. It feels connected to both the modern world and a much older way of life. Another surprising fact is the city's elevation. Ulaanbaatar sits more than 1,300 meters above sea level. That elevation contributes to one of its most famous characteristics. Ulaanbaatar is often considered the coldest national capital on Earth. Winter temperatures can become extremely severe. Conditions that would shut down many cities are considered normal here. For residents, adapting to the climate is simply part of life. The cold has shaped everything from architecture to transportation. The climate also adds another layer to the city's isolation. Traveling across Mongolia during winter can be particularly challenging. Despite these conditions, the city continues to grow. Economic development has transformed parts of Ulaanbaatar in recent decades. New buildings, businesses, and infrastructure projects continue to change the skyline. Yet the surrounding geography remains the same. Beyond the city limits lies one of the most sparsely populated regions on Earth. The open landscape still dominates the horizon. This creates an experience few capital cities can offer. Residents are never far from some of the world's largest expanses of undeveloped land. For travelers, that sense of space can be unforgettable. Many visitors describe Mongolia as one of the last places where true wilderness still feels possible. Tourism remains relatively small compared to many Asian destinations. Millions of visitors flock elsewhere, while Mongolia remains overlooked. That is part of what makes Ulaanbaatar so fascinating. It serves as the gateway to a country many travelers have barely considered. The city's airport provides connections to major destinations, but nowhere near the volume seen in global aviation hubs. This reinforces the feeling that Ulaanbaatar occupies a different category altogether. It is connected to the world, yet still remarkably distant from it. Even experienced travelers are often surprised by how remote Mongolia feels. Distances that appear manageable on a map can feel enormous in reality. Traveling across the country quickly reveals the scale involved. Hours can pass, while vast landscapes stretch uninterrupted in every direction. That experience helps explain why Ulaanbaatar feels unique among world capitals. Few capitals exist at the center of such immense emptiness. The city also highlights an interesting paradox. Isolation does not necessarily mean irrelevance. Despite its location, Ulaanbaatar remains the heart of an entire nation. Nearly every major political, cultural, and economic decision passes through it. Its importance to Mongolia cannot be overstated. The capital functions as the country's primary connection to the outside world. Yet, even with modernization, growth, and international links, the city's defining characteristic remains geography. The vastness surrounding it continues to shape life there. Many capitals are remembered for monuments, rivers, or skylines. Ulaanbaatar may be remembered most for the incredible emptiness beyond its borders. In a world where cities seem increasingly connected, that distinction is becoming rarer. Few places remind us of distance quite like Mongolia's capital. That is why Ulaanbaatar is often described as the world's most isolated capital city. Not because it is hidden, forgotten, or inaccessible, but because it sits at the center of one of the largest and emptiest landscapes on Earth. And perhaps that is exactly what makes it so fascinating. In an age of crowded cities and constant connection, Ulaanbaatar remains a reminder that there are still places where the horizon stretches farther than the eye can see, and where isolation has helped create one of the most unique capitals on the planet.